The final year of the Pride Project for enhancing capacity of Pacific education agencies to effectively plan and deliver quality basic education has completed with a handover of the project from regional facilitators to the Niue government. The 6-year project, funded by the European Union and NZ Aid, but implemented by the University of the South Pacific Institute of Education, assists 15 countries in the Pacific region in expanding opportunities for children and youth to acquire the values, knowledge and skills that will enable them to actively participate in the social, spiritual, economic and cultural development of their communities. Yesterday, all stakeholders involved with the Pride Project turned up at Niue Education Department for the handover of the project to the government, as well as the handover of a launching of 1,000 journals, which also took place. Certainly great achievements by educators here on the island. If you wish to view some of the work done, the Education Department welcomes any member of the public to their department for a week-only display during working hours from 8 to 4, Monday to Friday.